Hey yo, what's up everyone? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be talking about how you can improve your typing speed on the basis of what I learned from my 30 days typing challenge. So let's get started. First of all, let's quickly talk about why good typing speed is important. Number one, it saves time. Having a good typing speed allows you to get your tasks such as writing emails, making presentations, school assignments, etc. done faster. And number two, it makes you productive. Being able to get things done faster also means you can do a lot of tasks in a short period of time, which makes you productive. Number three, you get better opportunities. If you are a super productive person, opportunities are abundant because who doesn't like to hire a person who is productive, right? The first tip I have for you guys is to find a good place to practice typing. There are a lot of good ones out there like 10 Fast Fingers, TypeRacer, Typing Test, you name it. I personally love TypeRacer because it simply gives you phrases from popular movies, books, songs, and you basically type with other typers, which makes it even more competitive and fun. So TypeRacer is the way to go for me. Many people usually don't care about their body posture, but it is very important for having a consistent results and for your body in general. This should be a no-brainer, but I've seen a lot of people not following a proper finger positioning system. In my opinion, QWERTY is the best one out there and suggest you guys to use this as well. What you basically do is put your index fingers on F and J keys and put the other fingers like shown in the picture. Those were just the basics. Now let's move on to our 30 days typing challenge. Talking about my typing challenge, I spent about an hour every day practicing on TypeRacer with an average of 50 races per day. My goal was to have an average of 100 words per minute. That means I had to be able to type at the average speed of 100 words per minute in 10 races, which is not easy at all. Here is how I ended up in my first day. This might seem like a lot to most of you. It is faster than average typing, which is roughly 40 words per minute. The reason is because I have been typing for a while before this challenge. I had about 65 words per minute average, but it dropped down to 62, probably because I was typing for an entire hour without any breaks. So here comes tip number 4. You need to take a little bit of rest while typing because without taking any rest, it could get a little exhausting, and if you are typing without any rest, you're shooting yourself on the foot. I personally took about 30 minutes break after every 10 races I did, which allowed me to continue my day normally. So I would suggest you to do the same, or really up to you. Here are some more screenshots. It took me a while to go over 70 words per minute, and you can also see that my best score also went all the way up to 93 till day 10, which was insane for me. And here comes tip number 5. Ever heard of touch typing? Touch typing is basically typing without looking at the keyboard. Touch typing is absolutely lethal because you are not wasting any time looking at the keyboard. Here is my journey from day 10 to day 20, where I have an average above 70 words per minute, which is pretty good. And I also was able to break my all-time high record of 93 words per minute and reached 96 words per minute on day 17th. On day 24th, I was able to beat myself and make a new record of 105 words per minute, which is absolutely insane. And on day 29th, just a day before my challenge ends, I recorded 78 words per minute on average, which is the highest recorded in my challenge. And on day 30, I ended up at 77 words per minute. Alright guys, this is my last tip for today, and that is improving your typing speed is not easy. You need to put in a lot of effort and you need to be consistent with it. I was in the middle of the learning curve, which made it difficult for me to see some massive improvements. But if you are new and you follow my instructions, follow my tips, and put in some time and effort into this, you would be able to see some massive improvements with your typing speed. If you decided to take on this typing challenge, please do mention me on Instagram or shoot me a DM on Instagram. We can talk about it. Obviously, I lost this challenge, but I'm pretty happy that I was able to get above 100 words per minute, even if it was only just one race. So it's still a win for me. I'll keep on practicing though, and you can check out my progress by searching this username on TypeRacer or simply by clicking the link down in the description. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you all enjoyed and are ready to take on the challenge. Peace.